just smashed a trade in work. It was a little scalp. I have a video for y'all tonight. I didn't record the trade because it was on my phone, but I'm gonna have that for y'all tonight. I'm gonna break it down, and hell yeah, good trades, baby.
What's good, boys? It's January 13th, 2025, and it's my trade breakdown for the day. It's a little scalp on SPY. I was at work, but still managed to get this. I could have held it for way longer for the whole day, for the day trade, but again, I was at work and it was starting to get busy, so I had to close out my trade. But basically, this is the breakdown. I was viewing it on the 15 minutes just so y'all can see I was targeting this point of liquidity right here, this liquidity pool. And I literally got out at the top before it broke down. I was targeting this, and I got out quite literally at the top when it broke down. I'll show my P&Ls right here. It maybe not at the exact spot, but around there I got out, I think, and for $130 profit. And yeah, I almost got stopped out here. It was actually pretty scary. I was here, and then we dipped down, 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 almost hit my stop, and I only get out if the candle closes in my stop, because a lot of times the candle will run to your stop, come back up, reverse, and they do lose the trade. So I only get out if the candle closes in my stop loss. But I took it to this liquidity point, boom, came up, and cashed out the trade for $130. But I'll show you how I had this trade marked up. I had the trend here, and I was just monitoring what price wanted to do. It was kind of fluctuating. We started here at 4 a.m., and then we started kind of climb. So I saw that we kind of had some bullish pressure here, and then we rejected off this new day opening gap here. So I thought we were bearish, but luckily I waited it out a little bit because I thought that we would just take this standing low here or even reject off of it and come back up anyway. So I just waited for us to come into this gap, break through it. I got in around here, and then yeah, I let it ride, peeped it on the 15-minute, and that's basically the trade. But again, it's hard to trade at work. I feel like this would have been a much better trade if I was at home able to monitor it. But I want to talk about something in specific this trade. It's how to turn a losing trade into a winning trade by detaching yourself from the idea of money. Now, I was in this trade, and believe it or not, I was down $450 at this point right here, because I bought an in the money call, which is basically I bought a call that was in the money already, which means that it came down and it just completely shattered me. So I did expect a clean push up, and it did end up coming down instantly and kind of fucking with me and consolidating. But I just waited it out. I let it ride to my stop loss. I didn't look at P&Ls after I saw that 450 because I knew I would get scared, and I just looked at the charts. I knew I was alive until it hit my stop below this low right here. All it did was double bottom on the 5-minute, come up, retrace, and then I got out around here. And that is how you turn a loser into a winner, by detaching yourself from the idea of you losing money. I don't make a lot of money currently at this job that I work, and I definitely don't generate enough money to compensate for a $450 loss. But I know that right now I'm trying to get better, and that's all that matters. And even though, actually, yeah, I probably could compensate for a $450 loss pretty easily, it wouldn't feel good. So it's not like I'm over risking. I mean, I have the money to be doing this, but again, it does get scary if you're looking at that P&L. So I would recommend scaling between different time frames. Like when it got scary on the 5-minute here, I scaled to the 15 and waited on the closure, and then sure enough, we did double bottom, come up, and then yeah, hit the top of my liquidities pool, and I was able to hit the trade there. I see my dog in the back, but that's the trade for the day, boys. Hope you did enjoy. It's a short little video, just a little breakdown because I didn't have the recording again because trading on my phone. But tomorrow I will have the trade because, and again, I was going to do a live trading session in my Discord this morning, but my manager called me at like 9 a.m. and he was like, yo, you need to come in because we're short. And I was like, what can I do? So sorry about that, but tomorrow morning I will be live. If y'all want to tune in, guaranteed, 9:30 a.m. EST, I will be live until maybe like 11. If I don't catch a trade, I don't catch a trade, but I will be interacting with you guys, talking to you guys, so make sure you tune in. I'll be live on YouTube, so peace out, boys.